Hi everyone, my name is Yetunde Farin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to teach us what to do with our rice water. Can you see my rice? I've already washed it. Can you see it's very clean? It's clean. So I'm going to add fresh water into it to parboil the rice. Can you see it now? So I'm going to parboil the rice. Now I'm going to on the cooker so that it can cook for some time. I want it parboil. Okay, so I've already on the cooker. Let's wait and see what is going to happen. So this is my rice. Can you see it? It's not too cooked. It must not be too cooked too. So I'll pour in. I will remove the rice water. I want to remove the rice water. That is the rice water. I hope you can see it very well. I like to pour it inside cup. So I'll tell you the next stage. That's the rice water now. You can use this rice water to bathe. You can use it to wash your hair. It's very, very good. It has a lot of benefit. If you Google, just go online, read the benefit of rice water. You will thank me later. Alright. So this is the next stage. I will keep it. Then I will tell you what I'm going to use it for today. So I'm taking it to go and use to bathe now. So you can use this rice water to wash your hair, your daughter's hair, or you can use it to bathe. It's not wasted. Don't waste your rice water again. It's good for you. It's good for your skin. It's good for your hair. So this is the rice water I've prepared for myself this morning to use to bathe. So let me know what you are using your rice water for in my message. See you next time. Thank you. Thank you for staying tuned. Please, you can refer your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like. Thank you. Bye.